Greece, a land suspended between myth and reality, where every stone tells a story, every wave carries a memory, and every sunset seems painted by the gods themselves. From ancient ruins that whisper the secrets of the past to islands that sparkle like jewels in the Aegean, Greece is a country that captures your heart, awakens your senses, and calls you to explore. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the top 10 most beautiful places to visit in Greece. Some are world famous, some are hidden gems, but all promise to leave you breathless. Each location is more than just a destination. It's an experience that touches your soul, ignites curiosity, and inspires adventure. We'll witness ancient temples standing tall against the sky, villages cascading down cliffs like waterfalls of color, and beaches so pristine they feel untouched by time. And by the end, we'll uncover a hidden gem so secret, so magical, that only a few travelers ever get to witness it. So stay with us, because this isn't just a tour of Greece. It's a journey through beauty, history, culture, and emotion, and it's waiting for you to step inside. 10. Meteora, monasteries in the sky. Our journey begins with Meteora, one of Greece's most surreal landscapes. Towering rock pillars rise like nature's skyscrapers, shrouded in mist, with ancient monasteries perched atop as if floating in the clouds. Walking these trails, you feel the devotion of the monks who built these sanctuaries centuries ago, seeking isolation and a connection with the divine. Sunrise transforms Meteora into a living painting, golden light spilling across cliffs, shadows dancing, waterfalls cascading gently below. Meteora is more than a view, it's an experience that humbles, inspires, and awakens your sense of wonder. Here, the scale of nature and human ingenuity merge, reminding us of both our smallness and our potential to create beauty. 9. Delphi, the center of the ancient world. High on the slopes of Mount Parnassus lies Delphi, once believed to be the center of the world. And the ruins of the oracle draw travelers from around the globe, not just for their beauty, but for the mystery and history they hold. Standing here, you can almost hear the whispers of the past, priests interpreting prophecies, and the hum of human curiosity that has spanned millennia. The valley below stretches endlessly, framed by mountains that seem eternal, painting a scene that merges history with breathtaking natural beauty. Delphi is not just a site to visit, it's a place to feel time itself, to connect with human stories that continue to resonate across centuries. 8. Rhodes, medieval charm and sun. Rhodes is where history meets the sea. The medieval Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a labyrinth of cobbled streets, hidden courtyards, and towering fortresses. Every corner tells a story of knights, merchants, and travelers who once walked these streets. Beyond history, Rhodes' natural beauty unfolds. Golden beaches, sapphire waters, and cliffs rising dramatically from the sea. Climb to Lindos for sweeping panoramic views where the town below cascades into the blue Aegean like a painting. Here, beauty is experienced with all your senses: the scent of the sea, the warmth of the sun, the touch of centuries-old stone, and the sound of waves crashing against the shore. Rhodes shows that history and nature can coexist in perfect harmony. 7. Nafplio, romantic coastal town. Nafplio, often called Greece's most romantic town, is a place where history and beauty entwine effortlessly. The narrow cobblestone streets wind through Venetian buildings, their pastel facades adorned with vibrant bougainvillea, creating corners that feel like stepping into a storybook. Cafes spill onto the streets, inviting you to pause, sip rich Greek coffee, and watch the world drift by. Climb the Palamidi Fortress, a massive citadel overlooking the town and the endless Aegean Sea. The climb itself is an experience, each step revealing new angles of red-tiled rooftops, sunlit alleys, and the calm waves lapping at the shore. From this height, the town glows in golden light, and every moment feels cinematic. As evening descends, the promenade along the waterfront becomes a stage of romance. Gentle waves, warm sunlight fading into soft pinks and purples, and a peaceful ambiance that wraps around you. Nafplio is more than a place to see. It's a place to feel, reflect, and fall in love with every detail. 6. Crete, mountains, history, and hidden beaches. Crete, Greece's largest island, is a land of contrasts and endless discovery. Rugged mountains rise dramatically. Olive groves stretch across rolling hills, and turquoise seas meet sandy beaches that feel untouched by time. Every corner of Crete tells a story, from ancient myths to natural wonders. Step into the Minoan world at Knossos Palace, where frescoes, columns, and ancient ruins whisper tales of a civilization that thrived thousands of years ago. Then, for adventure seekers, hike the Samaria Gorge, a dramatic canyon that stretches for 16 kilometers. Here, towering cliffs, hidden waterfalls, and wildlife make every step a journey through untamed beauty. Crete's beaches, like Elefsinici and Balos, are paradises of soft sand and crystalline waters, pink-tinted sands, shallow lagoons, and striking contrasts with surrounding cliffs create dreamlike landscapes. Crete isn't just an island, it's a story of nature, history, and adventure, offering experiences that linger in your heart long after you leave. 5. Zakynthos, Shipwreck Cove. Zakynthos is home to one of Greece's most dramatic and unforgettable sights, Navaggio Beach, famously known as Shipwreck Cove. Nestled between towering cliffs, this crescent-shaped beach features a rusted shipwreck resting on pristine white sands, set against turquoise waters that shimmer like jewels. The best views come from the cliffs above, where the panorama stretches endlessly. Deep blue waters, sheer cliffs, and the lonely shipwreck create a scene of raw and untamed beauty. The contrast between the wild landscape and the calm, sparkling sea is mesmerizing. Accessing the beach itself is an adventure. A boat ride through crystal-clear waters offers moments of anticipation as the cliffs close in and the hidden beach is revealed. Zakynthos is a place where nature tells a story of power and tranquility, and Shipwreck Cove leaves an impression so strong it feels as if you've discovered a secret the world has been keeping just for you. 4. Corfu, Emerald Island. Corfu, known as the Emerald Island, is a vision of lush greenery meeting sparkling turquoise waters. Hills covered in olive groves and cypress trees descend to beaches that glisten under the Mediterranean sun. Corfu is a fusion of nature, history, and culture that enchants every traveler. The Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, invites exploration with narrow streets, pastel-colored buildings, and bustling squares. Venetian architecture, historic fortresses, and hidden alleys tell the story of a rich past, while vibrant cafes and lively markets create a contemporary charm. Venturing to the coastline reveals secluded coves, pristine beaches, and crystal-clear waters ideal for swimming or quiet reflection. Sail around the island, and each bay offers a new perspective of the Emerald Hills meeting the sea. Corfu is a feast for the senses, the scent of olives and salt air, the warmth of the sun, and the sight of endless blues and greens, leaving you with memories that linger like a sweet, unforgettable melody. 3. Mykonos, vibrant energy and hidden serenity. Mykonos is energy, life, and beauty intertwined. Famous for its iconic windmills and lively nightlife, it's a destination that pulses with adventure. Yet, hidden just a few steps away are tranquil beaches and secret coves, offering peace and reflection. Mykonos proves that beauty is not just in what dazzles the eye, but in contrasts. Between celebration and solitude, movement and stillness, every traveler can find a story here, whether it's adventure, romance, or quiet introspection. 2. Symi, hidden gem. Symi is one of Greece's most enchanting hidden treasures, often overlooked by travelers, yet bursting with charm and color. The harbor shimmers with fishing boats, pastel-colored houses cascade down cliffs, and narrow alleys invite exploration, each turn revealing a new view that feels like a secret waiting to be discovered. Few travelers reach Symi, making it feel untouched and personal. Walking the steep streets, you can admire the architecture, interact with locals, and discover small cafes that serve freshly baked pastries and traditional Greek delicacies. The quiet rhythm of life here contrasts sharply with the hustle of more famous islands, offering a peaceful and immersive experience. As the sun sets, the harbor is bathed in golden light, the pastel buildings reflecting on the calm waters, and the sea mirrors the sky in a dance of colors. Symi teaches an important lesson. The most unforgettable beauty often lies in hidden places, waiting for those willing to wander, explore, and create their own memories. 1. Santorini, the crown jewel. And finally, Santorini, the jewel of the Aegean and the most iconic image of Greece. Whitewashed buildings with cobalt blue domes cling to cliffs, overlooking the deep blue caldera. Iya's streets wind toward the edge of the cliffs, every corner a photograph waiting to happen. The sunsets here are legendary. Skies ignite in orange, pink, and purple hues, reflecting perfectly on the water below. Beyond the famous views, Santorini has hidden gems, quiet alleyways, cozy cafes, and secret viewpoints where you can witness magic away from the crowds. Stroll volcanic beaches and let the island's rhythm seep into your heart. Santorini is more than a place. It's a feeling, a memory, a moment that lingers long after you leave. Greece is a land of contrasts, history and modernity, chaos and calm, celebrated and hidden. Every island, mountain, and village has its own story waiting to be discovered. If this journey inspired you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join Wandroo on more adventures. Comment below. Which destination would you visit first? Which place called to your soul the most? Remember, beauty is not just in what is famous, but in the hidden corners, the alleys only locals walk, and the islands that remain secrets. Greece teaches us that the world is full of wonders, waiting for us to explore, experience, and cherish. Pack your bags, wander the streets, climb the cliffs, sail the seas, and discover a Greece that lives in your memory forever.